Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong Money, Career, Finances reading. Tingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyong kaperahan ngayong January 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. It really helps our channel to grow. So let's see, Taurus. Kaperahan ng mga Taurus. Mountain. So some sort of challenge na pagdadaanan nyo or haharapin nyo ngayon. It's either sa trabaho nyo, maaring may pressure na binibigay sa inyo ang trabaho, no? Or this can be a financial challenge na kailangan mong gawa ng solusyon, gawa ng paraan. You also have Spider. Spider kasi is about trust, yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo, na kaya mo. At nagtitiwala ka dahil meron kang knowledge, meron kang skills, may abilities ka para magawa yung goals mo, to make things happen for yourself, and knowing your purpose as well. You also have Scarab. So itong Scarab is about second chances. So hindi ka lang basta-basta yung tipong, okay, natapos ko na, pero hindi nag-work, ganyan. Siguro, example, nag-try ka, tas hindi nag-work. Tas ayaw mo na. Hindi ganon. You will give yourself another chance to try, to make it through. 'Di ba? Kasi minsan sa una, 'di ba, we don't have that much experience pa. Pero the second time around, doon ka na mas confident. Dahil, syempre, you've been there, 'di ba? May experience ka na, familiar ka na. So, mas maganda yung magiging performance mo sa career, sa business, or anumang project that you are trying to do. Okay? So, the Scarab energy here is you healing from your past. Healing from your past mistakes. This is also renewal. It's like a rebirth. So ngayon, hindi ka na mag-aalala kahit may challenge sa harap mo kasi kayang-kaya mo na tong i-handle. And you are finally taking action. Tsaka yung pag-take mo ng action, hindi lang to yung basta bahala na si Batman, no? Itong spider, 'di ba? They create yung web para makakuha sila ng mga pagkain nila, yung mga insekto, 'di ba? So, very strategic yung iyong action for your career, for your business, for your money. Let's see what else, Taurus. You have the Knight of Swords. The Knight of Swords is meron ka mga mamadaliin or parang someone who is very competitive in your career, in your business. Although, may mga pagkakataon na parang medyo ikaw parang pag nakikita ka nila or yung approach mo sa iba is parang medyo aggressive, no? But for you, it's just being proactive, no? Gusto mo lang maging active. You have the Eight of Pentacles. Yes. Educating yourself, learning new things, hard work. Ayan. Maraming trabaho for you. I think yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, yung tipong focus sa mga goals ninyo, very inspired. Taking inspired actions is what I'm seeing here. You have more faith in yourself and the people around you na tumutulong sa'yo. This is also healing, so definitely yung mga financial struggle and troubles ninyo, issues sa business, sa trabaho, is nagagawa nyo na ng solusyon. You have the Ten of Wands. So, hindi siya magiging madali for you, pero kaya mo siyang i-handle. Okay? Marami kang responsibilities ngayong January. Marami kang kailangang gawin, marami kang kailangang habulin. Ito yung mga hindi mo nagawa nung nakaraan pang taon. And ngayong January, hinahabol mo siya na makompleto, maayos, matapos, ma-finalize. You also have the Hermit. This is solitude, inner work. So I think you finally realized kung ano yung kailangan mo pang i-improve sa sarili mo kasi nagkakaroon ka ng self-reflection na ito pala, kailangan ayusin ko to pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances ko, kailangan mas maging maingat ako sa paggastos at magdagdag pa ng sources of income kung gusto kong mas lumawak pa yung pasok ng pera. Oo. So, let's see what else. Taurus. Amusement. You have natural talents that you can share sa mundo. Yan. You are making money from them. So, yung talents mo, yung skill set mo, malaking tulong yan para mag-create ng money, mag-create ng income. You may be in entertainment, content creation, social media. You are sharing your knowledge and talents. So, in making decisions in your business or career, follow your gut and instincts. Yes. So, mararamdaman mo yan na minsan kahit na parang it's too good to be true, na parang, ang ganda nito, gusto kong gawin to, i-pursue to. But, you knowing na parang, teka, masyadong flawless naman ata to para i-pursue. Alam mo yun. So, andun yung discernment mo and at the same time connecting to your higher self, to your instinct, kung talaga bang makakabuti sa'yo yun. Unworthy. Do not settle for anything less than what you deserve. So yeah, I think if nasa situation ka ngayon na parang feeling mo hindi mo deserve yun, hindi mo hahayaan na magstay ka dyan for a long time. You will do something about it. Gagawan mo ng paraan. Gagawa ka ng paraan para makaalis dyan. Pwedeng hindi sa ngayon, but unti-unti, no? Lalo na kung hindi ka na masaya. Kasi mahirap rin naman na bigla ka na lang, halimbawa, ayaw mo na sa work mo, magre-resign ka na, pero wala ka pang malilipatang bago or wala ka pang pagkakakitaan na bago. 'Di ba? So, hindi yun strategic. But like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, you're going to be strategic sa mga decision making nyo. Let go of others' thoughts and opinions. It is time to embrace who you really are. Yes. Being true to yourself, true to your destiny, true to what you really want, true to your passion. Minsan kasi, kino-consider natin yung opinion ng ibang tao about us kahit na tayo yung nahihirapan or nagsasakripisyo. But now, no, alam mo na sa sarili mo na hindi laging ibang tao yung paniniwalaan mo or i-consider mo. Dahil para sa'yo, yung nararamdaman mo, yung experience mo ang mas importante. The power to heal the earth is within you. Some of you meron kayong skills or talents, gifts, abilities to heal the world in many ways and many forms. Pwedeng nasa medical industry kayo, yung iba naman, you are spiritual healers. Reevaluate your priorities. It is time to let go of what you no longer needed. Yes, yung mga priorities mo, saan mo ba binibigay yung attention mo? Ito ba ay tutulong sa'yo na mapaunlad yung finances mo, yung career mo, yung trabaho mo? Kasi kung hindi, ili-let go mo na yan. Infidelity is in the air. Nako, mag-ingat kayo sa mga makaka-deal ninyo pagdating sa pera or sa mga projects, kasi meron ditong baka merong dyang mga scammers or hindi totoo ang mga sinasabi sa'yo. Turn enmity to your advantage. Yes, I think ito yung energy ng the Hermit na pag may mga pagkakataon na mag-isa ka lang or yung minsan kasi naghahanap tayo lagi ng companion, makakasama, para mas maging confident tayo. But actually, yung pagiging solitary natin, no? It really helps us to know who we really are. Okay? And at the same time, minsan may mga taong against us na mas pipiliin na lang natin na to be with ourselves kesa naman meron nga tayong mga kasama pero hindi naman sila supportive sa gusto natin. 'Di ba? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much and see you again.